Yo, what is up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome back to a new Skin Club session. Today we have $2,000 and in this session we'll do some case battles, we'll do some case opening and we'll upgrade some of my skins. So before I start with this session, if you are looking for a 10% deposit bonus, free daily cases, free CSGO skins and free money on Skin Club, let's join under my promo code RAZOR1. How to join? First things first, you need to do is create an account on SkinClub. For example, you can connect your Steam account. When did you create an account? You need to press on your profile picture at top right corner, click on promo code and enter promo code RAZOR1 in a promo code box. After that, press on activate. Also, you can join through link down below in description or you can check first pinned comment. As you can see, with this promo code you can do free daily case opening. Just press on daily cases, scroll down and you can open up to 13 cases every 24 hours, which is really cool. I'll open my level 60 case right now. And I hope for Marble Fate, Gut Knife, best pull from this case, $311. New event is active on Skin Club to the Moon event where you can earn space points, guys, and with these space points you will be able to buy some items. How to earn these points? For every $5 spent on case opening, case battles and upgrade, you can earn it, and you need to press on event points at top right corner and you can find a lot of items that you can buy for these points. Okay guys, to start things off, let's create my own case battle. We'll do only expensive case battles today, so we can start with Doppler fight cases, 5 cases, $500. Let's call bot call Zera. Guys, if you're not still waiting, you can call Skin Club bot, which is cool future on this site, another cool future. So let's see, call Zera this time. Come on brother, 2 more left. Can we pull one more knife? Maybe one more Shadow Daggers or something. I think nope, but we won this one. So question is it profit? $619, which is profit. Not huge profit, but it's okay. Okay, we'll do one more battle and we can switch to some case opening. Let's do event cases. Let's do 8, $600. Come on. Botitanos this time. Event case. Guys, don't forget to check new event on Skin Club. Let's open some cases and let's try to earn some money. Golden coil, 107 minimal wear, really good. Can we hit one knife? Mecha Industries, minimal wear, okay. Cool pulls. But can we hit something more expensive like gloves, like one knife maybe? Oof, give me that karambit lore, brother. Last case, 38. I think we won this one. 710, only $110 profit. Okay, we can switch to some case opening. So let's open gloves case, hoping for sport gloves there, maybe Weiss or Pandora or something. Okay, first one really bad, 100 Havel. Let's open one more time. Come on brother, give me something huge. Nice bait, by the way. Let's sell it. Let's open one more. To the moon. New event on Skin Club. To the moon. Skin Club to the moon, guys. Okay, that's bad, bro. It's burning my money. Eating. We need something really good. $170 cost this case. Hand drops, overprint. How much is it? It's battles card. Okay, last chance. Can we get something huge? Maybe. Okay, that's bad session. By the way, let's switch to some other cases. Overtimes. I never played before this case, so let's open it. By the way, what's the best pull from this case? Butterfly. Butterfly is the best pull, and we got these gloves 155. $5 profit. Okay, one more try. No, give me snow leopard driver gloves. Okay, that's better. Last chance, and I'll switch up to some other cases. AVP Asimo maybe? Nah. USP. Fuck USP. Okay, diamond skins, let's open two. $300 case opening. Something good. One knife. Ooh, M4 Poseidon M4. Brother, $25 only. Okay, let me sell something from my inventory. I think I can sell all. Yeah, sell all. I don't give a fuck. And let's open 5. Diamond skins case. 5 cases. Something huge, brother. Nothing. I got knife. Fucking got knife. 271. Okay, let's open one. And after this one, we'll open one expensive case. Look at this. Look at this bait. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, 936 left. So I gonna open this maze strip case, but I need some more money. So guys, if you don't have money, you can press on your event points and you can buy something for event points. You can buy like vouchers, skins, cases. So I will buy these pairs of gloves and we'll sell it. And let's open maze strip case. $1,000. Wish me luck, guys. Hoping for a dealer, Hubble M4 or something like that. Please. Pioneer Doppler factory new. How much is it? 633. Really? Okay. Really bad session. 658 I have. Let me boost a little bit. What can I buy? Something else. No, I cannot buy this. Let's buy this case. Will be case opening session on SkinClub today only. Can we hit something? What the fuck? Minimal wear nanometer M4. Okay, and let me sell gloves. Oh my god, I need some more money. What the fuck? Okay, let's open one more case and we'll try to upgrade, and we'll open $777. Fantastic case. Neonoir. Okay, that's money, I think. No, 24. Fuck you. Fuck you, brother. 2x. Can we hit 2x? 33%. No, we cannot. We cannot. It's too slow, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's open 3, 4. Can we do 5? No, 4 knife cases, and we'll do 1.5x upgrade, and we'll open fantastic case. Or maybe we can hit something good. Classic knife. Upgrade all 1.5. No. Okay, stiletto marble fade factory new 62%. I think it's too fast. I think it's too fucking fast, bro. What terrible session today on case opening and on upgrade. $130 left. Let me open 2 cases. Last opening, guys. I don't know. One knife. Comeback is real. Comeback is real, bro. Let's fucking go. Upgrade all 2x. Oh, what session, bro. But if we hit 2x, it will be really cool. Gamma Doppler Karambit. Left, right, I don't know. Let's do right. Bro, please, everything is possible on SkinClub. As I said, everything is possible on fucking SkinClub. Guys, from $120 to $2,300 in like 5 clicks. So I hope you have enjoyed in this session. If you have enjoyed, you can always leave a like, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the most importantly, you can join on SkinClub under my promo code Razor1, and you can claim free cases, free skins, 10% deposit bonus, and free money. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you tomorrow in a new video. Bye.